Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. And this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can open a new tab to browse in it through the internet in the Zen browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch the Zen browser on your device like your desktop computer or laptop. Once you have downloaded and installed it, launch it, and you will find the tab list not here at the top like on most other web browsers, but here on the left hand side. Of course, you can customize that appearance or the position of the sidebar in your browser settings. However guys, we're going to use that sidebar here. So we'll see these tabs open. So what you want to do is click into a new tab here, or is the shortcut Ctrl T or Command T if you're using a Mac. And option number 3, you may right click into that field here, select new tab, and then enter your search term here. For example, using Google as your default search engine, Google will look for the website here. So I will go, for instance, I don't know, to this page here, and that is going to give you that new tab here on the left hand side, so that you may close it if you like by clicking into that X button to delete the single tab here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.